It is indeed with a heavy heart that we at Surplus TV report that Brazil has been sent packing and will not progress any further in this World Cup 2018 due to a 2-1 defeat from Belgium today. And as you guessed it, many of the Brazilian Jamaican fans, or as they are now known as Jazilians, are not so happy about it. Surplus TV looks at some of these unhappy Brazilian supporters.
It's a collective effort, and it's not defenders defend and attackers attack and don't defend. So it's a team. Well, that's exactly what clever Javier, the assistant to team with them.
Man, I'm not talking with nobody. All I know bad man. I know Brazil win. But I got to say something to them. One and move, two and drive. Brazil.
But as you guessed it, not all Jamaicans are Brazil fans. Some are quite happy that Brazil have not progressed any further in this competition. In fact, the following clip shows several funerals being kept in honor of Belgium's victory today in the World Cup.
Like I said, Brazil was trying in the group stage.
My girl, you a walking trophy.